Good morning. My name is Emma, and today is my first day here.
Hello, Emma. I am Oliver, and I will show you around the office.
It is very nice to meet you, Oliver. I am a little bit nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is nervous on their first day. We are very friendly.
Thank you. This building is much bigger than I thought.
Yes, we have 5 floors and many different departments.
On which floor is the marketing department located?
We are on the 3rd floor. It has the best view of the park.
I love parks and green trees. That is very good news.
First, you need to get your security badge at the desk.
Do I need to show my ID to the receptionist?
Yes, just show your ID and they will give you the card.
Getting the badge. Now I can go through the electronic gates.
Exactly. Keep your badge with you all the time for safety.
What is the first thing we will do today?
We will go to your new desk and turn on your computer.
I hope I remember all the passwords I received in the email.
If you forget them, our IT department can help you quickly.
That is a relief. I am not very good with complicated codes.
You will learn everything step by step. We have a lot of time.
How many people work in my team, Oliver?
There are 8 people in the marketing team. They are all very talented.
I am excited to meet them and start working on projects.
They are currently in a meeting, so we have time for a tour.
Can we see the break room and the kitchen?
Of course, the kitchen is the most important part of our office.
I agree with you. I cannot work without a good cup of tea.
We have many types of tea and a very modern coffee machine.
That sounds perfect. Let's head to the 3rd floor now.
Follow me to the elevator. It is over there on the right.
Here we are. This is your desk, Emma.
Wow, it is very large and clean. I like the white color.
We prepared a new computer and some office supplies for you.
I see a notebook, some pens, and a lamp.
We also bought a small cactus for you. It is easy to care for.
It is so cute. Thank you for such a warm welcome.
Do you like the position of your chair? You can adjust it.
I think I need to make it a little bit higher.
Just pull the lever on the right side. It is very simple.
Now it is perfect. I can see the monitor clearly.
Your computer is already connected to the office printer.
Where is the printer? I don't see it on my desk.
It is a big machine in the corner of the room. We all share it.
I see. Do I need a special code to print my documents?
No, just click Print and your badge will activate the machine.
That is very smart. I like this electronic system.
You also have a small locker under the desk for your bag.
Perfect. I will put my leather folder and my purse there.
Your phone is also ready. Your extension number is 305.
305. I will write that down in my new notebook.
I will send you a test email in 5 minutes.
I will check it immediately to see if the internet works.
The Wi-Fi password is written on the back of your badge.
Oh, I see it now. It is a very long password.
We take digital security very seriously in this company.
I understand. It is important to protect our data.
Are you comfortable here, or do you need anything else?
Everything is great. I love the light from the window.
I'm glad you like it. Now let's go to the kitchen.
Yes, please. I am ready for that cup of tea.
This is our break room. It is the heart of the office.
It is very colorful and cozy. I like the soft sofas.
People come here to talk and relax for 10 minutes.
And here is the famous coffee machine. It looks very professional.
It is a bit complicated, so I will show you the buttons.
There are so many choices. Espresso, latte, cappuccino.
If you want tea, just press the button for hot water.
I will try the herbal tea today. It is very healthy.
The tea bags are in the wooden box on the shelf.
I found the peppermint tea. I love it.
Put your mug under the dispenser and wait for the light.
I am waiting. Oh, the water is very hot.
Be careful. Use a small sleeve for the mug so you don't burn your hands.
Thank you for the warning. The steam smells very fresh.
We also have fresh fruit delivered every Monday morning.
I see a basket with apples and oranges over there.
Yes, help yourself. It is free for all employees.
That is a very nice benefit. I love healthy snacks.
We also have a refrigerator for your lunchboxes.
Do I need to put my name on my food container?
Yes, it is a good rule to avoid any confusion.
I will bring my lunch tomorrow in a glass box.
We clean the refrigerator every Friday afternoon.
So I must take my food home before the weekend?
Exactly. We like to keep everything clean and organized.
Where can I find a spoon for my tea?
The spoons are in the first drawer next to the sink.
Found them. You have everything here.
We want our team to feel like they are at home.
I already feel very comfortable here, Oliver.
Look, the meeting is over. Let's meet the marketing team.
Everyone looks very busy and focused.
Hey everyone, I want to introduce our new colleague, Emma.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to join your team today.
This is Sarah. She is our lead designer and very creative.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I love the posters on your wall.
And this is James. He is in charge of social media.
Hi, James. I use social media a lot in my personal life.
James will show you how we manage our company accounts.
I am eager to learn about your digital strategy.
Everyone, Emma will be helping us with the new campaign.
I hope I can contribute many good ideas to the project.
The team usually has a short meeting every morning at 10.
Should I bring my notebook to these morning meetings?
Yes, we discuss our daily tasks and solve any problems.
I like that. It is good to know what everyone is doing.
We use a special software to track our progress.
Is it difficult to use? I haven't used project software before.
It is very intuitive. I will give you a training session later.
Thank you. I appreciate all the help you are giving me.
We are a team, Emma. We help each other succeed.
Everyone is so welcoming. I feel very lucky.
Sarah, can you show Emma the brand guidelines today?
That would be very helpful. I want to know our style.
We have a very specific color palette and tone of voice.
I will study the documents carefully this afternoon.
Great, now you know where everyone sits.
Yes, I remember their names and their roles now.
We have a very positive atmosphere in this office.
I can feel it. It is a very inspiring place to work.
Let's sit down for a moment and talk about the schedule.
What are the official working hours in this office?
We usually start at 9 and finish at 5 or 6.
Is there a specific time for the lunch break?
Most people take an hour between 12 and 2.
Can I go out for lunch or must I stay in the building?
You are free to go anywhere. There are many cafes nearby.
That is good. I like to get some fresh air at midday.
We also have a flexible Friday once a month.
Does that mean we can leave the office earlier?
Yes, we finish at 3 p.m. to enjoy the weekend.
That is an amazing rule. I love this company already.
What about the dress code? Do we have strict rules?
I am wearing a blouse and a skirt today. Is that okay?
It is perfect. Our dress code is business casual.
So I can wear jeans on some days too?
Yes, on Fridays we usually wear jeans and t-shirts.
That is very comfortable for a creative department.
We also have a no meetings day every Wednesday.
Why do you have a day without any meetings?
It helps us focus on deep work without any interruptions.
That is a very smart strategy for productivity.
We value results more than the number of hours you sit here.
I like this philosophy very much. It is very modern.
Do you have any questions about the company rules?
Not right now. You explained everything very clearly.
I will give you a digital handbook with all the details.
I will read it on my computer later today.
Take your time. Today is only for learning and observing.
Thank you, Oliver. You are a great guide. Oh, it is already 12:30.
Time flies when you're learning new things.
I didn't realize it was time for lunch already.
Would you like to join me for lunch at the Italian cafe?
I would love to. I am actually quite hungry now.
They have the best pasta and salads in the neighborhood.
Should I take my security badge with me?
Yes, you need it to enter the building again.
I am putting it in my pocket right now.
Don't forget to lock your computer before you leave.
There, the screen is now locked.
Great. Security is a habit we all have here.
I am ready. Let's find this Italian cafe.
It is just around the corner, only a 2-minute walk.
The weather is very nice today. The sun is shining.
It is a perfect day for your first day at work.
I feel much more relaxed than I did this morning.
I told you, our office is not a scary place.
You were right. Everyone is very kind and helpful.
You will be a great addition to our marketing team.
I will work hard to prove that I am a good choice.
Just be yourself, Emma. That is enough for us.
What is the name of the cafe we are going to?
It is called Little Italy. It is very popular with our staff.
Maybe we will see some other colleagues there.
Most likely. We are like a big family during lunchtime.
I am looking forward to a good conversation and food.
Let's go then. Lunch is on the company today.
Really? That is so nice of you.
It is our tradition for every new employee. Welcome.